I had the privilege of working with him for 16 years as his translator, and not only translating his teachings, but I traveled with him for so many different countries and things like that. I mean, His Holiness, we give him the title Ocean of Wisdom, which is true, but and then also for a believer like us, we believe him as the manifestation of Avalokiteshvara and so forth. So those things are there, but even if you see him as an ordinary person, and one few things that is really striking is that he is totally committed towards alleviating the suffering of other people. So that commitment you can always see. And then second, he never pretends what he is not. He always says, I am a simple Buddhist monk, you see. Despite people like putting him at the level of a god or whatever, many people even use the word God, things like God King or things like that. But he said, no, I'm exactly like you. I'm nothing special. You see, so that humility. Otherwise, normally, people when they get this kind of recognition, then they get crazy. Then they pretend that they are creator. Whether you are a political leader or religious leader, then you start doing many stupid, mad things. You see, and which is not happening. And like for example, you can see His Holiness is, revered not only as a spiritual leader, but also the political leader. But he repeatedly said, this you have to take the responsibility. Now he already devolved his political power, you see. And there are people who are like, who don't hesitate to kill people to get that, that title or that power. So there again you can see the difference, you see.